Binatuwag yan. Lan? Ito lamang ngayon. Lan? Ilan naman? 50?
Jambol. Basket foul. Foul number 19. Bendy shot. No good. Traveling. Score all two. Number 30. Pass to number 19. May foul. Foul number 19. Second personal foul. Still Magaya number 2 good produce 5-2. Traveling 7 minutes 35 seconds. Number 7 no good. Nito wala pa rin. Steal Magayang side step binalibang wala. Paulian foul number 2. No good. 19. Number 19. Sa tres. Score, all five. Second shot clock, number 0. Tinira na. No good. 14 second shot clock. Number 19, passes dito. 10 second shot clock. Sa 3, wala rebound. Number 6, may foul.
Start 7.
Second shot.
Pero tigitan labang 20.
Single, 5 minutes, 35 seconds. 16 second shot clock. Ten seconds. Nito. Good. Agaw. Number 10. May foul. 5 minutes, 19 seconds. Isa pa? Foul number 2. Penalty rep.
Diling sa ospital yan, may sugat eh. Gamutin mo Lelo. Wag na. Tampak naman, Laker. Umiyan mo na lalay. Higit lang, 20. Yan, binutong bola eh. Higit talaga, may matatalo, may malalalo. Kaya pa yun, hindi mo tapos eh. Sa tigit lang, 20.
Number 17. Pacino, number 2, is 2 points. Score 9-7. Labang bola.
3 points.
Sa 3. Number 0, babawi. Tapos yan. Good, last. Nakago ba? Hindi. Kanya pa rin. Number 6. Nice pass. Number 8. Wala kaya. Number 6. Ragas. Bigado. 12-9.
Ilalim bola. Tiket. Sipag kayo, sipag.
Number 12. To number 6. 10-second shot clock, number 6 sa press. No good, na rebound. Pass break, Gino. No good. Kanya pa rin, may foul.
Susunod mo, dala tayo malaki TV dito. Dito ka nilagay.
Bumbudu 14-12. Foul number 30, penalty.
Dalawa.
14-12, 2-point lead, red team.
Yes, good. Pili lang ulang.
Okay naman. Ready ka rin naman. Yung illegal.
Okay.
Dalawa pa na pala. Dalawa pa pa. Retrap. Isa lang. Siguro na ito. Retrap, pasok. Isa lang.
50 seconds. Number 6, na good. Number 30 again, blue, tatlo abante. 20 seconds. Bumangga. Number 6 wala. Na-rebound ni number 30 again. Papasa kaya. Uy, pumege. Ang galing. Number 2. 5 seconds. 2. And on the first quarter, score 18-30, may foul. Who's foul back?
Number 2. Number 2 na naman.
Under 0.
Tura 2.
0 sumabay.
Talo pala eh.
Eighteen, 40. Good. Gino, no good. 17-20. Mungguling. Isa na lang ang bande.
Tampa, sabi ni Dan. Tampa. Hindi, dikit lang 20.
10 seconds, shot clock, Chino, pumukol, wala, rebound. Mungguling. Nakago ba? Foul, number 19.
Second quarter na ba?
Foul again.
Bibisayain ko to. Mag-commentator. Bibisayain natin yan. Kaya. Uy. Ay, yan. Wala.
Number 7 yan. 2, 9, 10. Binalik kay Dogs. Sa ilalim, pinasok kay number 0. Yes, good for 2. With number 0. 0. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. Last touch. Save ball. Kalo to Yap. Yap jump shot. Wala. Nakuha ni number 30. Perfect. Drives. Natapik. Nakuha ni Galoso. Galoso nagmamadali. Galoso drive. Last touch by number 0. Save ball. Shout out kay IC. Overtime na naman to si IC. Number 6 to number 8, wala. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12 to number 8 to Carl. Carl pass naaga ni number 0 to Chino. Chino pinasa drive. Yes, good for 2 by number 30. Score 26 against 22 in favor of Julian kay Chino. Chino winning the ball. Pinasa kay Bay. Jump shot. Wala. Nakuha niya pa rin. To number 30. Number 30. To number 0. Jump shot. Good for 2 by number 0. Raveheim dribbling the ball to Carl. Carl, pinasa sa ilalim. Sayang naman. Kulang sa vitamins daw, sabi ni Lodi. Number 0 for 2. Wala, rebound by Quiñones. To Carl, pass break, play up yan. Good for 2 by Carl. Tingin naman dyan. Chino, number 2, controlling the ball. Chino. number 30. Jump shot. Number 2.
Yun, di nagpalit.
Kanina hindi nakapalit yung 5 minutes.
Kalma lang kayo.
Carl to Quiñones, drive. No good, rebound by. Nakuha ni number 30. To Gino. Gino nagmamadali. Umikot na umikot. Last touch by Gino. White ball. Carl, Dominis Carte, nagmamadali. Carl, pasay lalim, nakuha ni Dobbs. Dobbs, drive the ball, nagmamadali. Sabi ni Dobbs, easy lang daw. To number 30, jump shot. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Wala. To number 13, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 12. Sayang naman. Number 13, ito. Number 19. To number 2. Controlling the ball. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pinasa ulit. Pinalik ulit. Foul by number 12. Break time. 17 pala, 17. Wala, rebound by Quiñones. Quiñones nagmamadali to Carl. Pinasa kay Quiñones ulit. Wala, rebound by number 0. Number 0. Long pass dito. Drive. Ang wala. Rebound by number 8. Nakuha ni number 17. 17. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Bay. Bay, jump shot. Wala. Malas lang. Quiñones drive, may foul. Sumabit si number 13. Second, first free throw by Quiñones. No good.
Nag-iapat na free throw gagawin ng mga to.
Second throw. Wala pa din. Nakuha ni number 8 for 2. Good for 2 with number 8. Gino dribbling the ball. That is very bukan. Gino to number 0. Drive. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Number 12 to number 7. Number 17. Number 12 to Ravenham. To Carl for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 to number 12. Sumobok sa dress. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 13. Long pass to Bay. Naamaw. Nakuha niya pa rin. Drive. Pinasa. Wala. Ravenham. To Carl. Pinasa sa ilalim. Good for 2 by Quiñones. Last 50 seconds. Score 30 against 20 in favor of Races. Number 2, controlling the ball. Drive, pinasa sa ilalim. May foul ang tinawa ni ref. Number 8, raising foul. To free throw by number 13. First throw. Walang problema yan kay number 13. Second throw. No good. Rebound by Quiñones. Grabe naman yung rebound na yan. Carl. Drive. May foul. Offensive foul by Carl. Last 21 seconds. Number 19. Last 15 seconds. Gino dribbling the ball, controlling the ball. Last 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 time. Paparex. Winel. Tatlo pa. Hoy! Kulong sa tulong to.
Guess who? Who this?
Grabe ka na.
Supay.
Papa!
Supay.
Injury yung daliri.
Okay na.
Rewind ka, rewind. Pusa. Rebound by Ruel. Usman. 14 seconds. Rebound by number 22. Pass to Veloso. Uy, turnover. Nato Chino, number 2. Zigzagging. Turnover. Time remaining 9 minutes 11 seconds. Score 31-28 in favor of red. Red ball. Now Abudang handling the ball. Pass to Chino. Back to Abudang. Back to Chino. 2-man game. You see 2 points by Abudang. MJ. Si MJ pala yun. Galoso. In 3. Sino yun? Michael Panghilina for 3. Score 33-31 in favor of red. Pass to Chino. Pass to MJ. Pass to Bursa. Tulipo. Steal by Panghilinan. Steal by the Raging Bull.
Ano muna ako dahil? Committee time ko.
You know. Pass na Veloso. To Calo. Tuyab. Pass to Calo. Malakas. Rebound by Obursa. Now to MJ. Pass to Nino. Turnover. White ball. Ora, 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Veloso. Pinasa, turnover, dito. Chino Magayon. Pass to Veloso. Great yard. Rebound by Dos Nito. Huli kita di natin Panghilina. Save ball. Panghilina, secondary outline. Pass to Calo. Who's ball rep? Number 13.
Third foul.
Third personal foul on the Raging Bull. Ruel. Score 35-31. 6 minutes 21 seconds.
Nakashoot pa free throw. May na-shoot pa free throw, wala?
Pass to MJ. Tuchino. Easy 2 points at Gayan.
Finish ang pass rate kanina.
35, 37, 31. Team races. Now to 6-point lead. Time breaking 5 minutes. 5 seconds. Ready na yung second 5. Rebound by Pangilinan. Pass to Veloso. Rejected by the Raging Bull. Last possession bago mag-change time. Pass to Chino. Steal! Bring up! Change pipe. Tayo na foul dito. Second personal foul. Second 5. Third quarter. Warning for penalty.
Third quarter na pala.
Pass. Foul. Who's foul ref? Number 0, Borsa. 2 shooting fouls. Uy, pumasok din.
Pasok ba?
Down to 3. 4-point lead. 37-33. Official score. Lamang ang races. Naharas. Paso dito. Dimitri. Rebound by Magayon. Foul. On Suerte. Suerto.
Second. Pasok.
Completed. 2 charities by Magayon. Score 39-33. Pass to Suerte. Pass to Kali. Domingo. Rival by Suerte. Pass to Domingo. Minama. Pumasok. Hindi. Pass to Quiñones. The fireman. Score 39-35. 3 minutes 49 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Dalawang time out na kayo.
Hoy, paso Domrique. Rebound by Suerte.
Sige, tatlo pa.
Rejected by Nico.
Third and fourth, tatlo pa ang time out. Time out na.
Time out.
Dapat siyempre na malaglag yun.
Lamang na apat ang pula. Down to 3 minutes 19 seconds. Pass to Domrique. Uy! Easy 2 points yan. Steal by Borsa. Pass to MJ. Pass to Chino. Huli, pass to Nianes. The fireman, pass to Colo.
Still by MJ. Nice pass to dito. 2 points. 43-35. 8 points na ang laman ng red.
Bili ka ng pong-pong 5 boss. Yung tayo malamang 5. Wala yung soft drink, bibili nga ako pala.
Grabe ka naman, Rex.
Kino!
Natunggo sa pinasa. Steve by Kali. Hey. Who's foul red? Domingo.
First foul, Domingo.
First foul. Time remaining 1 minute 55 seconds. Score 43-37. Pass dito, pass sa Chino. Floater. Rival by the fireman. Uy!
Matagal na yung kamay, yung sugit ka.
Grabe naman si Rex. Pass to Paul. MJ. 2 points. Score 45-39. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Suerte. Pass to Rai. Floater. Rebound by Rodriguez. Pass to dito. Pass to Chino. Foul number 12. Hindi. 2 free throws para kay Chino. First foul pa lang. 13 foul. 48 seconds. Pumasok. Hindi. Second try, still no good. Rebound by Suerte. Pass to Kali. Grabe.
Sige, nakapolo kayo, magparong naman.
So Suerte. Domingo. Minama. Grabe. Time remaining 24 seconds.
Oo. Ikaw, dapat nakabarong ka rin. Gawa ng camera.
19 seconds. Score 45-41.
Kaya dapat nakabarong ka rin. Hindi, dapat
12 seconds. Sino? 6 seconds. Ng first game. Pass to the fireman. Stay up. Tapos, rebound by the Raging Bull. Ito. 5 seconds. Rebound by Suerte. Pass to Galo. Now to Q. Nice shot. Kapit-bahay ko yan eh.
Amen. Magandang kunan nyo.
Wala yung tigas ni The Raging Bull ah.
Naubos eh.
Nice shot. To MJ. Score 49-43. Lamang pa rin ang aning pula. Pass to Kalo. Chicken tree. Rebound by the Raging Bull. Pass to MJ. Foul number 22. Ilang foul na yan tayo? First foul, first team foul ng puti. Oh, yun yan. Walang ganun. The Raging Bull. Takbong mayaman ah. 51-43.
Kita yung tuwa pala yun eh. Sa tuwa pala yun eh. Sa tuwa pala yun eh.
Autuwan ng
Humihingi ng pakapalit. Tingnan mo yung tsura.
Ano?
Ayoko na.
Substitution rep.
Ano, ayaw na? Papatay kayo kay Dom Rigue.
Kali.
Puta, Luka Dondits. Patay kayo dyan, oh. Complete uniform, oh. Cycling ka ba ba dyan? Saan bisikleta mo? Ba?
Score 51-43. 8 innings and 5 seconds sa fourth quarter. Rajo MJ. Good drop. Foul on Suerto. Six, Domingo. Second. Personal na. Number 8. Try number 8. Akin. Number 8. Hindi ikaw. Rebound by Kalo. 52-43. Pass to Domingo. Pass to Yap. Kalo, floater. Rebound by Q. 19. Follow number 19. Third foul. Kiniriente ni Paul eh. 52-43. Rep. Substitution ah. Pag na-shoot. Substitution. Also in. Siap. Pass to number 0, Musa. Grabe, lumilipad ah. Naras si Chino. Score 52-44. 6 minutes 56 seconds.
Yabang, oh. Titingin dito yan. Sila bang?
Easy 2 points by Ginoso. 52-46.
Lamang ang 56.
Time remaining 6 minutes 43 seconds. Chino, pass to number 0. Pass to MJ. Shot by MJ in the back. 54-46. Eso suerte, pinasa kay Q. Easy 2 points by Q.
Nayari si Luka Dondits.
Turnover. Score 54-48. 6 minutes 3 seconds.
Luka Dondits. Di ba pinagapon siya? Nilabas ka na?
Pass to Galoso. Now to Kalo.
Pinakain.
Dinalik kay Kalo. Pinilit. Rebound by dito. Shot clock. 10 seconds. One by Q. Pinasa ka.
Layo eh. Layo eh.
Third quarter. Go. Lamang ng 6 races. 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Sino, take it 3. White ball. Exactly. 4 minutes, 53 seconds. Remaining is the last quarter. Pass to Kalo. Pass to Domingo. Red ball. 4 minutes, 33 seconds. Shot clock, 20 seconds.
Ano, Lakers?
10 seconds, shot clock. Uy, easy 2 points by Kubursa. Score 56-40. Walulit naman. 3 seconds. Time remaining 3 minutes 48 seconds. Dead ball. Pag dead ball. Tatlo pa daw mga idol. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Busa. Bang! Time out. Pass to Domingo. Easy 2 points, 14 minutes. Screen by Ganya, pass to Venezuela.
Uy!
Ay, naku. Ay, landi niyan.
Down to 6 point lead, 58-52. 2 minutes 38 seconds. Uy! Hindi na. Roma MJ. Pass to Q. Easy layup. Score 60-54. 2 minutes 10 seconds. 2 minutes 10 seconds.
Padre, ikaw mag-interview.
Score 61-54. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by KB. By MJ. Pass to Chino. Shot clock, 13 seconds. White ball. One minute, 23 seconds. Pass to Panghilingan. Pass to foul. Number 17. Third personal foul. First shot is good. Score 61-55. 1 minute 11 seconds. Sayang. Shot clock. 14. 1 minute and 2 seconds. And that's EJ. Playing isda.
Ulimak!
Uy. 8 seconds. Still by Suelto. Pass to Pangilinan.
Tira. Pero ang...
Last 28 seconds. Who's foul? 13. Warning for graduate. 30. Sorry. 30. Third personal foul.
Wala nang time out ha.
Score 61-56. 28 seconds. Tumira ng 3. Bang! 61-59. 20 seconds.
Easy to lang ha.
Pass sa Suelto. Pangilinan. Maganda ba yung laban? Who's for it? 13. Warning for graduation.
Sure, take time.
Take time. Sabi nila. 61-59.
Eh, ibaw!
13 seconds.
Shoot! Yes, shoot!
13 seconds. 61-60. Foul run.
Rep.
Last few.